Right, time is 12:45, 1:45 in the morning. Another crazy hour one. 2 pickups in Swindon, and then I'm taking down to Bristol Airport. That's the first job of the day. Go back to bed for a few hours. Get up, and 9:30 I have to pick up village near Ashbury and take up to Newport Pagnell, which is up near Milton Keynes, and then later this evening I've got a plane landing Heathrow Airport, so it's going to be a long day today, this one. I've just got back home. Could go to bed now for about 4 or 5 hours, I think, try and get some sleep. I do fancy a little bite to eat, actually. Cheese, I think. Cheese and bread, I think. That'll do. Quick sandwich, sleep, work. That's what it's going to be. Right, here we go then. Right, let's go and see what mess awaits us, shall we? Right, anyway, this is more important now. Down to business. We've got a nice tea bag in here, which is been in for precisely 3 minutes and 33 seconds, because we all know that that's the perfect time to brew your cup of tea, and it's going to go over there.
She flies like a bird in the sky. She flies like a bird.
That was a nice fling. Very nice too. Anyway, here we go. Someone can't be bothered to put their doggy poo bag in the bin, so I guess I'll do it. Anyway, there we go. There you go, that's you sorted out. Eat your heart out, Aid Larson. I'm sure he'd be proud of me. Give me nice comments in the comment section there, I would have thought. Well, good start, Andy. Good start. Keep it going. Yeah, right. Let's see if I'm going to keep this going. Right. I'm going to eat this, and then back to work. Good lad. Good boy. Right, I've got to make tracks. Okay, right. Let the day commence once again. This is the business side of it. This is how I earn my money to pay my bills, to keep my house, put food on the table.
In 1979, 84 and 93, for which vocal...
Sister Sledge.
Sister Sledge. Sister Sledge.
Hey.
Right. In 1981, Let's Groove became the final single.
Earth, Wind and Fire.
For which group?
Oh.
Cool in the Gang? Sorry, no, it's Earth, Wind and Fire.
Right, I sat on something uncomfortable, and it was a spoon from this morning's walk. What's the time? 20 minutes to 1. 20 minutes to 1. M4 motorway near Reading, heading down to Gatwick Airport. So I pushed the battery to its absolute limit on this one. On a full charge you get about half an hour of fly time, depending what you do with it. Now I used it some of the time on this particular flight on its fast mode, which reduces the battery quite considerably, to the point I could not get it back to myself. So I literally had to land it on the road some 300 meters away from where I was, put it on the road, and then I had to jump in my car, drive over and pick it up, take it back, and it lives to fly another day, or actually it flies again in a moment. Right, we've moved literally about 2 miles down the road to this particular place, just outside Swindon. Nice little spot as well, this one. I'm going to have a bit of a fly round over towards the mast. There is a mast over there, so I'm going to explore. I've got a few minutes to do this, so I'll take her up. Make sure we're filming. We are. Move her over a little bit. I'm going to head over this way. Right, spin you around. There we go. There's our target up there. Explore that mast. I think this is one of the tallest points in Wiltshire, I believe. This here. That's the Wiltshire Downs there. Lovely. For those who appreciate countryside, I hope you appreciate that. As you can see, we are surrounded by fantastic countryside. Really lucky to live in such a wonderful part of the world, and of course spring is most definitely my favourite time of year. So a bit of information about this particular mast. It's a telecoms mast at Foxhill, Swindon. The mast is visible for some distance around. It is situated at Foxhill, but the correct address for the installation is SSE Foxhill radio site, Foxhill, Hinton Parva near Swindon, SN4 ODS. That's for all you anoraks out there who are into telecoms, telegraphs and masts. I'm not really, but I thought it would just be a nice place to go and explore. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now. Oh, by the way, do us a favour, will you? Go and subscribe. I'm really trying to hit 1,000. Anyway, enough of that. Let's bring you down, shall we? There we go. Nice flight.